Good morning to you all, students. I am again back to your old sum, that is question number B2 of exercise 3.4, that is 7224.41. So I am extremely sorry because in live class whatever I have taught that the method is wrong method. The previous method in the beginning in the video how I have given, that is only correct, because I also get confused when one of the students have asked me the last step here. So it is correct, 1698. It will be 1698. So let me explain how. You see here, after this, now here from beginning onwards, let me come 8 into 2. So what I have told, what is the rule? Only you have to multiply with 2 with the units digit. So 8 into 2 is 16. So it came 16. Here 164 into 2, you see, 2 into 4 is 8. So 2 6 are 12. I am not finding out. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. So after this one, if I multiply it by 2, so it will get double, is not it? So here we are not making it double. What we are doing? Here we are 4 into 2. 2 4s are 8. Rest, it remains same. Are you getting it? Rest, it remains same. So 168. Then we are multiplying with 9 into 9. So again same method. 168 9 into 2. So 168 9 into 2 is 2 9s are 18. Carry 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 6 will remain same. So here again I am showing here elaborately. Just you have a look. 1689. 2 into 9 is 18. Carry 1. So that carry 1 you have to add up. 8 plus 1 9. 1 6. So be careful, dear students, because in the higher class many of the students don't know this process. So yesterday in the live class, what I have done the mistake, just I am showing you the mistake. 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 6 12, 13, carry 1, 2 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2 plus 3. Not this. It is not the method. It is wrong method. Okay. So what you have to do? Only you have to multiply the unit digit with 2. You have to double the units digit, and if the after doubling the digit becomes remain the 2 digits, so it will be carry. Okay. So that is the method. So 1689 into 2, it is 2 9s are 18, carry 1. So 2 8s are not 2 8s are 2 9s are 18, 1. So 1 plus 8, it is 9. So only it will multiply with units digit. So that's why it came 16989. I am extremely sorry. What I have explained in the live class, it is totally wrong. Whatever I have given you the video, that one is only correct. So this is the method. So 1698 into 1698, then along with 9 into 9, it is this number. So the remainder, still the remainder it comes. So again, if you want the more zeros, so I forgot here to give the zeros because 0 I have taken here. Now if you want more digits, so again 2 zeros you can bring here, and again you just proceed after this step. Okay. Now another example I have taken to make you more clear. Here you see how many digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits are there. So let us we know how many digits will be the square digits because we know the method. So still let us find out the square root. Now 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digits, so it is unpaired, so it is called period. So 1 is there, so only 1 into 1 is 1 we can take. So remainder is 0. So bring 57 down. Now here 1 is there. So 1 into 2 is 2. With 2, what the number I will take so that the number it will come less than 57 or equal to 57? So 25 into 5, it is what? Or 25 into 5, it is what? I am showing you here. 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. Is not it? So 25 into, 22 into 22 into 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 23 into 3, it will be 3 into 3 is 9, 3 2s are 6. It will be more than 57. So we will take this value. So 22 into 2, it is 44. 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. Am I correct? Now bring 25 again. Now let us see. 22 is there. So the unit digit is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4. And this 2 will remain as it is. Only the unit digit will be doubled. Okay? So 2, 4. So along with the 2, 4, what will be the number I will take? 2, 4, say 6. Let us take. 6, 6 are 36, carry 3. 6, 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27, carry 2. 6, 2s are 12, 13, 14. So it is more than this one. So let us take 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 4s are 20, 22. 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 2, 5. So that one I can take. 2, 4, 5. 5s are 1, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. So what is the remainder? 0. Here 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 minus 1 in the left side 0 have no meaning. So 1 0 0. Now you bring it 160. 1 6. Now come here. This is the important part. Okay. 2 4 5. So we will multiply 5 with 2. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Carry 1. 10 is there. So 0 it came. So carry 1. I am showing here. 2 4 5. Here you see how to do. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So don't multiply this 2 with all the digits. Only you have to multiply with the units digit. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 2. So 250. It will be what? 250. Is it clear all of you? Now 250. Along with that, what number I will take so that the number will come this one? Let us have a look. 2501. Let us take 5. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 0s are 0, 2. 2. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So here it is 5 digit. Here is also 5 digit, but it is more. So we can't take 5. So let us have a look. Say 2 5 0. Let us take 4. 4. So 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 0s are 0 1. 4 5s are 20. Carry 2. 4 2s are 8 9 10. Can you see here? 1 0 0. Exactly the number came. So for 250, 4 4 is equal to 10016. Remainder 0. So this is how we will find out the square root. You have to do practice of many numbers. You can solve question number 3 of B by division method. You practice that one. which you feel difficulty to solve, I will show you in the live class.